Hi everyone, it's Kev from TDN here. Just going to do a quick overview on the Glexo Hail Tab kit. So those of you who've already seen the standard kit, this one here, those of you who've used it, fantastic stuff. Now produce this Hail kit, so it comes in a nice box as you'd expect, but it now comes with two glues. So it has this one, this is a standard black glue that you're all used to seeing, and then this one here, which is works slightly better in hotter temperatures. So any of you guys that, well, I'm going to say US or Australia or somewhere where it gets hot, not necessarily in the UK, but yeah, this glue is for slightly raised up temperatures is going to get a much better pull with this one than you will over the standard. So main difference, obviously the tabs are that much smaller, so more suited to door ding and hail style dents. And then we have a small crease one here. Okay, so yeah, and you have these little washers here. What that does, it just goes on the top. So when you grip this into the top of your slide hammer, so when you put it in there and turn it in, this is going to actually compress, this little O-ring going to compress and hold. The last thing you want to do is obviously when you pull the slide hammer, this dropping out and landing in some grit or dirt or something, and then ruining in your cold glue. So the sizes are the same for both the round, so too large, too small, and then the crease. The reason you got them is obviously you can load one up with the hotter glue and one up with the colder glue. All right, depending on obviously what temperature you're working with. Whilst we're on question as well, we also do refills now of both the hotter temperature glue and the colder temperature glue as well. So all this you can get on our website at TDN Tools. As always, any questions, please feel free to drop us a line and we'll get them answered as soon as we can for you. Thanks for watching. Please visit www.tdntools.com, or why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to see many more reviews like this of latest tools.